DOINOW sent me this electric precision screwdriver kit B1 Pro for review. Let's take a look. It has lots of bits included, and it is rated at 200 RPMs max under no load. It's going to be a great tool for repairing small electronics. If you're a hobbyist or homeowner, this is something really nice to have. I used a precision screwdriver to disassemble my iPhone and MacBook batteries. Got a USB-C charging cable. USB-C to USB-A, pretty standard. Oh, the charging port is built into the case. One button to eject. Yeah, that's secure. Cool. It is two-sided, so it actually doesn't matter which way it goes into. The other side has plenty of bits. The main unit. I have a magnetic paper, so let's see if we can see anything. That's a large magnet back there. Okay. I'll take a flathead screwdriver. There are tons of bits. So if you're interested, you can take a look at the table of contents here. That lists like Torx, hex, screwdriver, Phillips, all kinds of different size. And there's a display that shows the direction the screw is going into, or reverse in animation. There's a button that will enable the LED light. Let me turn off the light. It's pretty cool. So that's off. If I click it, now it's on. Yeah, very fancy. This light is definitely super nice to have feature. So since I don't have to bring a flashlight every time, okay, let me turn the light back on. The charger is integrated to the case, so which means when it's back in the case, it will start recharging. The tip goes in first. I think, or it could be fully depleted. Let me connect it to my USB power meter. We'll see the charging speed. So that's half a watt. It is charging right now, blinking with 1 bar. It is worth mentioning all the bits are connected magnetically, like so, and should be able to pick up small parts. They can't do this to each other, but yeah, for small parts it should be fine. This is the part that can be used for magnetizing the bit. So it will be temporarily gain the magnetic field when you're working on small screws. Oh, actually it can be used when it's in the case. Interesting. There's a battery status that shows it is fully charged. Awesome. This is great. Yeah, I like it. I can see myself using this thing a lot since it's always back in the case. Yeah, I never have to worry about recharging again. It's always fully recharged when it's back in the case.